Hello and welcome to the Mercedes W123 channel. On today's video I will show you how to adjust the doors, you see, when there's a gap here. Okay, it's something very easy to fix, but sometimes the doors drop and we have to fix it. Let me show you. All we need for this is a ratchet and a socket of 13 millimeters. And here you see by the door we've got the two door supports. So we're gonna loosen those two completely, and at the bottom we're just gonna loosen slightly. So like that we'll be able to raise the door a little bit. So let me show you now. Now that the door is completely loosened here and slightly at the bottom, now we can adjust it. You see, the door moves totally. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna raise the door to where I think it's okay, and then I will tighten here again. Then we're gonna try it again, see how it goes, and eventually adjust a bit more if necessary. Now it's adjusted. I'm quite happy with the height. Okay, if I close it, we can see that height-wise it's okay. The only thing is here I see quite a bit of a gap, and here I see very little gap. Okay, so now basically it tells me that the door needs to come slightly at the back. Okay, so we'll adjust a bit more. Now for the door to come back that way, more centered, we're gonna loosen this again, pull a bit the door, tighten, and do the same thing here. Okay, and we try to keep the same distance, and hopefully we'll be okay. Okay, I'm now quite happy with it. As I say, you will have to juggle a little bit with the door, but if you look without putting pressure, now it coincides nicely. Okay, so I'm happy with that. So the joint is fine, and at the front it's perfect as well. The door still don't lock properly because this is a very common problem. This part here needs to be changed, but apart from that, I'm happy. Now it doesn't bang anymore. That's it for today. I hope that you have liked the video and that's useful to you. Until the next video, take care of yourself and don't forget to subscribe. Take care.